So last time we installed GUI, and Light Desktop Manager, and I was putting here reboot in order to reboot my system, but the button is hidden, so you can't find here boot, but if you click to log you can see it here, it's restart. So I will show you something, so I will put switch user now. This one is Light Desktop Manager. Here, as you can see on the top, we have XFCE. So this is my GUI. You can install GNOME, KDE, i3, whatever you want, and it will be listed here. So now we'll go to Other and put root in order to show you how to install, how to add or create new users. So in order to create a user, you use the command user add -m in order to create home, because by default home directory, because by default here you will not have home directory. So user add -m, and then I put the name of my user. So my user, I will name it here -g, big G. If you need to assign this user to a group, so you can put real. In my case, I will keep it as is by default. And now he will take the primary group ID. He will have his primary ID and name my user. This is by default how Linux works. So user add, and then pass WD my user. Here is the name of the user, and it's not my password. So enter, and then I will put new password. Okay, and if you need to check this one, so we put grab just to make filtering my user from etc and password. It's where it's located. So you will have my user. As you can see, this is UID and GID numbers, and this is the home directory for this user. And for the group also, you can put the same command, but instead of password, pass WD, you put the group. So, and you can use user mode -a, so it's append a group additional. So here, if I need to add this user to this group, so I put the group name before the user and enter, and then you will see it in etc group. And you can check ID my user, so to check which group is assigned. So you will have gamma and wheel, for example, here. So I will keep this one. Okay, and if you need to switch to this user, you put su, and then you put my user. So if you need your user to be in the sudoers, so you can need to go back, exit, because I need root, and then you can go to nano etc sudoers. Okay, and then you can go down and put here down to root. It will be empty here, so you will put my user, for example, and all for group, for everything else, and then you can do sudo by using your user password. But for security reasons, I will remove it from here. So the easiest way, or to delete it because it's single line, or to put comment. So I will put comment, maybe later on I need to reuse it. And then this is how we create user. So we will try to fix Google Chrome or to install Google Chrome on Arch Linux. See you in another video. Thank you.